Prajakta, so you are going to share your beauty secrets with us today. Can you tell us about the home remedies that you really think works for you?
One thing that works like magic for my skin is besan, haldi, dahi, honey. Just make a paste, put on your face. You can also put some rice flour in it instead of besan, and it works like magic. It's the best scrub I've used in my life. There's this oil I use for hair, which Baba makes at home, where you deep fry onions in coconut oil, and then you just remove the onions, then you put a little bit curry patta, and then you remove the curry patta, and then that concentrated oil you just put on your hair.
Yes,
and
my
it's
grandmother
great.
used to do it.
It's great.
Yeah.
It works like magic because I was having so much hair fall due to like heavy styling and products and stuff like that, and this changed my life.
And I love the fact that you think less is more, because even everywhere I've seen, you don't pile on you try to keep it natural, right?
Yeah, I also don't know how to do makeup that much. Like this is my basic look. This is how much I've learned to do, and I genuinely also think I think I look better if you can see the freckles and the pores, and you can see my skin through, because I like my skin.
Right. Are you into Korean beauty skincare that people have like 17 steps before they go to sleep, or no?
I used to during the lockdown. Now I have 3 steps: toner, moisturizing serum, and eye cream, and lip balm. That's it.
Lip balm. Okay. Do you like the blush game a lot? Because people are really into it. You love it?
I have blush blindness.
Blush blindness, is that a thing?
That's the thing.
Oh, I didn't know
Yeah.
that. So you just pile on the blush, bring it on.
Yeah, like the other day I was at the airport and everyone was staring at me like I'm insane.
Do you intend to start your own beauty empire like all the celebrities that we know of? No? Not.
I don't think I will do a very good job at it.
Why is that?
Because it's not something I know enough about when it comes to beauty and makeup and stuff like that. I think we have a lot more qualified creators around the world who will do a better job at that.
Really?
I'll
Okay.
sell books.
Oh, you'll sell books. Yeah, that's a great profession to have. And do you raid anybody's like a beauty game? Like, do you look into their accounts and be like, oh, I wish I could have that? Do you have a celebrity that you really want to?
I actually have a really good glam team. So there's Mansi, Sahitya, Shrishti, Netra, Sujata, and Akriti. All of them are also very busy now, so sometimes someone can meet me somewhere. But they are very good at their job. I think, and also we've been working for many years together, so they know how my skin is and what works for my face and stuff like that.
What perfume do you always go to, like for the day and night?
Nina Ricci. I've been wearing that for a while, but I am very close to switching to Chance by Chanel because I chanced upon it and I was like, yes!
It's really amazing.
I need this. So
Yes.
I'm going to be a different person after this trip.
The pink one or the green
Pink.
one? Oh, the pink one. How good are you at slaying the red carpet? Or are you more like jeans, I just want to lounge at leisure?
And I don't mean to say this in a cocky way, but I want to do well and become so successful that I can wear sweatshirts to the red carpet. You know what I mean? I'm also not very confident when I'm too dressed up. I think my style is basically this. I'll always be in jeans. Today I dressed up for you, so I'm not in
thank you.
black.
Oh, thank
I'm
you.
always in baggy jeans and black sweatshirts.
So is
all the
black
time.
your color?
100%.
Different shades of black. Is that what you
All
if I
the
were to
shades
raid
of
your wardrobe, what
You'll
would I
only
find?
black. This also
Sweatshirts?
Anita has given me for this interview. I have to give it back.
You actually borrowed a fancier t-shirt.
Yeah,
That's
this
so nice.
is
Thank
Global
you.
Desi by Anita Dongre. I love her. I don't think I'm a like you wouldn't think of me when you think of fashion. I don't think so.
Oh no, we do. I mean, we like it how casual you are.
Yeah,
but it's not the
very
fashion
casual.
game.
Exactly.
I mean, you don't go around looking for, oh, I need to feature in the Vogue this year or this
I
month.
don't mind it, but like I don't mind being featured in
Why
the
not?
Vogue. Yeah, like
Yeah, why
get
not?
me on the Vogue. Let's put it this way: I don't think I have the sense of fashion like the fashion girlies do.
Right.
I'm a lot more casual.
And Ozempic is a real thing now. All celebs are on it. Do you embark on like strict regimes, perhaps just to look the part, or any kind of extreme diets?
No.
And it's okay if you do it. I mean, it's a part of your job to look good. So do you do that?
No, actually, I can't do diets, honestly. I love food too much. I derive so much happiness from food. So, diets I can't do. Also, my mother won't allow it. She's like, what do you mean you're not going to eat prawn fried rice right now? I made it. I woke up at 6 in the morning and I've been toiling.
That's mother logic for you.
And I
You
was
can't
like,
fight
okay,
that.
fine. I think it's each to their own. Whatever everyone chooses for their own bodies is fine. The only strict regime for me is that for my mental and physical health, I depend a lot on my workouts.
Well done. And how many times are we looking at? Every day?
I try to do every day, but on weeks where I can do 4 times a week, I'm good.
Oh, that's good.
This has been a week because I've been a little unwell. I think 4 days a week is...
And it's cardio. like
No, everything.
strength?
Strength training, animal flow, cardio, everything.
Okay, if you could raid anybody's wardrobe under the sun, who would it be?
Zendaya.
Oh, she's good. She's
Yeah.
brilliant.
Yeah.
Especially when she
All
was
her
promoting
casual
Dune.
looks.
Oh, the casual looks.
Like all her looks where she's spotted getting coffee.
Ah.
Because I'm guessing those were not styled. You know, those are her things.
Yes.
Where she's just casually getting coffee or like going for a movie or stepping out of a car. I think she's so cool.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.